In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Thinktrader account to TradingView. By the end, you'll have your brokerage linked directly to your charts so you can monitor balance and equity and place trades from the same screen. Connecting through TradingView doesn't open a new account or move funds. It simply links your existing brokerage, so orders and data flow securely to your charting workspace. First, head to the TradingView website from the home page. Open Supercharts, which is TradingView's advanced charting interface. It's where all broker connections live. If you use TradingView regularly, it helps to log in to your TradingView profile first, so your layout and connection preferences are saved. Once Supercharts is open, look to the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. Click that tab to expand it. This panel slides up beneath your chart and shows all the supported brokers you can connect to from inside TradingView. Now we'll locate the right broker. In the list, browse or use the search bar to find Think Markets. This is important even if your account is Thinktrader. The connection inside TradingView appears under the Think Markets name. That's normal and it's the correct option to use, with Think Markets highlighted. Click Connect. TradingView will open a secure login prompt in a small window. If you don't see it, check whether a pop-up blocker is hiding the window and allow it for TradingView. Keep the chart page open until the process finishes. At the login prompt, enter the username and password for your Thinktrader account, exactly as you use them with your broker. Make sure you are on the official TradingView login window before typing anything. And never share your credentials with anyone. If your account uses extra verification, complete that step when prompted and return to the chart. After a successful sign in, look back at the trading panel. The status next to Think Markets will change to show you are connected. You'll also see live account details, including your balance and equity, appear in the panel. On the chart, your trading buttons and order ticket will become active, confirming the link is working. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to sync or close and reopen the trading panel to refresh. As long as the broker status shows connected and your account figures display, you are good to go. If you ever want to disconnect, you can do that later from the same trading panel. That's it. Thanks for watching.